Hello, welcome back. Now we will make our code in another function, and we will call that method in main method, because you are in Java, and it's always a better idea to write the code in other functions or other class. So let's make a program to add two integer value in another method. So we will declare a method like we can write void, void. Let's give a name add to the this method, and here we need two integer value, actually three integer value, and a scanner class to take input. So we will make a scanner in equal to new, that is the general syntax for a scanner class object. So we will pass here system dot in object, should be system dot in, put semicolon, and now we will declare three variable like int abc, and we will take input in abc. So we will write a message system dot out dot println, and here we can write enter to number, or it's better to write enter to integers. So we can take input in a and b. So we will write a equal to in dot next int, and similarly in b equal to in dot next int, and we can write if c equal to a plus b. So the semicolon is missing. So now we can print the result. So we have written system dot out dot print ln, and sum of numbers equal to, put the plus sign to concat the both results, and that is the string here, sum of the numbers, and plus value of the c, that is, so we write c here. Now if we run, there is no error in our program, and we will run, we got nothing in console window, because we have not invoked or called the add method inside the main method, because execution starts with the first statement of main method and ends with the last statement of main method. And here we can see the body of the main method doesn't contain anything, so we let's invoke the add method here. Since add method and main method both are in same class, that is our abc class, so we can directly call the add method. But here is one error is due to the static nature of the main method, because a static method can only call or invoke a static object or a static method. So since add method is not static, so we cannot access the directly add method in the main method, or we cannot write like this abc dot add, because since a static variable or a static method can be called like this also, typing class name dot function name. We will see this one also later. So here we have to make add method static. Now same error is here in the add method, because since a b c and in both are all are not static in nature, so we cannot access these also in add method. So one more thing we can do, we can cut these lines and we can paste it inside the body of the add method. Now since add is static in nature, so inside the add all the variables will be also in static nature. So now we can access the static method or static variable in the static main method. So if we run this program, and it will ask for the two number, and as we enter the two numbers and hit enter, the result will be displayed here. Now since in a main class we can make only a static method or a static variables, so it's not a better idea. So we will always try to write the code in another class, and then we will call the that method and property, that is property means method of variables in main class. So right, let's make another class like xyz. And now here one mind you, if one class in every package, if one class is already public, so we can't make any other class as public, because if you write here public, it will say that public xyz should be in its own file. Fine, because in every package there must be only one class that it should be public in nature. So here we have already a class abc in public in nature, so we cannot make the xyz as public in nature. So now we can cut or remove the code from main, and we have pasted here. Now since xyz is another class, so we need not to make the void as static in nature. So we can declare these lines or write these lines in class. So it's always a better idea to declare the method in the class and not in the function body, because if you write the int abc in add method, you can access only these variables in add method only, but if you declare the variables in the class, you can access these variables in any method inside this class. So that's fine. Now here we have to make a object of the class xyz, then only we can access the add method. So we will write here xyz x equal to new xyz. So here x is the object name for the xyz class, so we write x dot add. Now x dot add, our program is perfect and it doesn't contain any error also, so we can run our program and we can get output easily. So it says out result. Now since both the classes are in same package, that is test java here, so we do not care, or we do not take worry about the scope of the or access specifier of the classes or properties, means variable or functions, because in the same package the default access specifier is applied to the all class or methods or variables. We can make these methods privates or protected also. Privates, as we make the add as private, we cannot access the add method here. We can we will see the access specifier in our next video, so watch the next video and keep it the default till now. So it's fine.